Every drop of this oil started as a whole avocado, picked just days ago.
This factory turns tons of avocados into oil every single day.
Let me show you exactly how this oil is made, from fruit to bottle.
It all begins here, in the orchard, at first light. Each avocado is picked by hand at just the right moment of ripeness. From tree to crate, the fruit is handled with care. Within hours, it arrives at the factory. Every batch arrives fresh and gets checked immediately. Before anything moves further, it has to pass inspection. Ripeness and quality are checked on every single batch.
Once approved, the fruit begins its journey through the factory. Washing removes dirt and residue before processing begins. Every piece of fruit is cleaned thoroughly before it moves on. A camera system sorts each avocado by size and ripeness in an instant.
Only the right avocados move forward to become oil. The seed is removed first, frankened. It plays no part in the oil. A gentle suction lifts the seed away without damaging the flesh. Next, the skin is peeled away, leaving only the flesh behind.
This is the part of the fruit that becomes the oil.
The flesh is crushed into a smooth, thick paste. This paste holds all the oil, still trapped inside the cells. Slow, gentle mixing helps release the oil from the paste. This step can take up to an hour, done with patience, not force. Now the oil has to be separated from the water and solids. Spinning at incredible speed splits the mixture into layers. The oil comes out on its own, already looking like liquid gold.
This is the first look at the oil, straight from the fruit.
A second spin removes any last traces of pulp.
Filtering leaves the oil clear, smooth, and ready for testing.
What comes out now is the oil almost exactly as you'll see it in the bottle.
Every batch is tested in the lab before it's approved. Acidity level is one of the most important signs of quality. Only oil that passes every test moves forward to bottling.
Approved oil rests in these tanks until it's needed.
A layer of nitrogen gas protects the oil from oxidizing. A layer of nitrogen gas protects the oil from oxidizing.
Now the oil is ready to meet its bottle. Now the oil is ready to meet its bottle.
Row after row, every bottle holds the same quality. A sensor checks every single bottle before it moves forward. A secure cap locks in the oil's freshness.
Every label is applied with perfect alignment.
Now it looks just like the bottle you'd find on the shelf. This tiny code traces the bottle back to the exact harvest.
One last check before it's ready to ship.
The bottles are boxed up for their journey ahead.
Sealed tight, ready to survive the trip to the store.
Stacked and wrapped, ready for the warehouse. From here, it's just days away from a store shelf near you.
From the orchard to this bottle, you pen from cows. That's how avocado oil is made.